Horgmo back under pressure from Everts, who just manages to stay on two wheels through that turn. He was definitely fighting the front end, and he goes around the outside of Horgmo. Great move and closes down the door on the exit. Everts now into third. Turn 13, top of the hill. Monster Energy Yamaha, Jago Kiet leads the Red Bull KTM of Everts. This is second and third place. Horgmo still there. F&H Kawasaki in red. He is in fourth. Benetton lurking in the background in fifth place. Just hasn't had the speed of these guys, or the pace of these guys, I should say. There's Everts.